Right, this is the big one, episode 3, and we're going proper power user. These 5 apps don't just add a feature, they unlock things your phone was never meant to let you do. Fair warning, a couple need a bit of patience, but they're worth it. First, Termux. This one turns your Android phone into a Linux computer. You get a command line and you can install real Linux tools. One person on the thread even runs their own private search engine off their phone with it. It's free. It does expect you to know your way around a terminal, mind, so it's the deep end. But there's nothing else like it. Next, automation, and these two go together. The idea is simple. When this happens, do that. Arrive home, turn the Wi-Fi on. Plug in your headphones, open Spotify. Start with MacroDroid. It's the friendly one, no code. Pick a trigger and an action, and you're away. Then when you outgrow it, Tasker is the serious tool that automates almost anything. One to start and one to grow into. Number 4 is for Samsung owners only. Sorry, everyone else. It's called Good Lock, and it's Samsung's hidden box of customization tools, modules for everything. Redesign your home screen, build your own routines, theme the whole phone. One catch, in some countries it's hidden, so you might have to sideload it. But if you've got a Samsung, go get it. Last one, Shizuku. And this is the clever one. Normally, the powerful apps need you to root your phone, which is risky and a faff. Shizuku is a workaround. It gives you other apps special ADB access without rooting. On its own, it does nothing. It's the bridge that lets your other apps do more. Quietly brilliant. So there it is, 5 apps that turn your phone into something powerful. Termux for Linux, MacroDroid and Tasker for automation, Good Luck for Samsung folk, and Shizuku to unlock the rest. And that closes the trilogy. 3 videos, hidden sensor apps, niche problem solvers, and these power tools. Tell me below, which are you trying first and what would you automate?